Welcome back, Savages, to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about a new crypto project called Onocoy. So one way to get involved in this project is to provide GNSS reference data, and in return you'll get mining rewards in the form of a token called ONO. At the moment it's not live, it's just in testnet. So what are the requirements of this project? There's just 4 simple things that you need to have. First of all, a good location. Now what they mean by a good location is to have one of these base stations no closer than 20 kilometers away from another Onocoy station. And you can do that by going to the Onocoy Explorer and just have a look on there to see if there's any other base stations nearby. Now the second thing you're going to need is a good GNSS receiver. For me personally, I've gone through what they've recommended on the websites and the various discords, and it's called Ntrip-X, and it's an RTK base station, and I'll leave links in the description where you can buy this one. The third requirement is an antenna with a good view of the sky. Now luckily for me, I've already got an antenna installed on the roof, and it's the same antenna that I've used for a previous project called GEODNET. You can do a search in the channel for GEODNET and you'll get an idea of the antenna that I've already got installed. So effectively what we're going to be doing is bringing the cable in from the GEODNET antenna, then using this power splitter to split it into 2. One end will be going to the original GEODNET station that I've got, and the second one will be going to Onocoy right here. And the final thing you need is a permanent internet connection, because this will be connecting via Wi-Fi and collecting all that reference data and then sending it back to Onocoy. So that's all the requirements out the way. Let's have a look what comes in the package. So first of all, just in terms of purchase, I purchased these from a company called GNSS Electronics. They're based in Germany. I'll put a link in the description to where you can buy these, and they come highly recommended by the Onocoy community. So firstly, let's unbox the RTK base station. This is called the Ntrip-X. And in the box, the first thing you get is a USB cable. So it's standard USB to USB-C. So we'll power this on and do a power consumption check very shortly. And then finally, there's no instructions or anything in the box. You just get the actual base station itself. It's got a very good build quality on it, and it's got kind of rubber stoppers on there on the ends as well, which is nice quality, good to see. So just on the back right there, you've got a WPS button. You've got a power LED button, and that's where the power for the USB-C goes into the box. On the other side, you've got the Wi-Fi antenna right here, and the GNSS cable will be going into this bit right there. And then there's a couple of LEDs there for Wi-Fi and data transmission. So the next thing we've got is the power splitter. So on there, we've got the input. That'll be the cable coming from the antenna into this end. And then you've got the 2 outputs. One's going to be going to the GEODNET station, and the other one will be coming back to this Onocoy Ntrip-X box. And the second thing you get in here is a pair of these connector cables, which are both basically male to male. So the last thing I want to do is I just want to connect this up to a USB meter just to give you some power consumption readings on this box. So let's go and do that now. So here we are. I've just got the Ntrip-X powered up, but remember, it's not connected up. It's not mining or getting any rewards or getting any reference data because it's not connected up just yet. I just want to get an idea of power consumption just when it's switched on. So I've got the USB monitor right here, and as you can see, it's obviously powered by USB, so you're getting about 4.7 volts, and the power consumption right there is 0.26 amps, which is absolutely brilliant. And if you know me and the channel, I absolutely love low-powered crypto projects, and this certainly fits the bill. So there you go, Savages. That's Onocoy in a nutshell, and the equipment you're going to need to start earning rewards when it goes live. At the moment, like I said, it's still on testnet. So once you've got the Ntrip-X connected up to the antenna, the next part will be setting up and registering the unit and starting earning rewards. There's videos already on YouTube on how to do that, but I'll put a link in the description so you can follow that for the next steps to get set up. I'll also leave a link in the description where you can buy this base station and the power splitter from GNSS Electronics. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you, Savages, on the next one.